Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to download your data from the Chatgpt app. Whether you want to review your chat history or save important conversations for future use, downloading your data is super easy. So let's get started. Open the Chatgpt app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Chatgpt app on the home page, in the upper left corner of the screen you can see two lines that you will click on. By clicking on those two lines, a window will open on the left side of the screen where you will go down to the three dots at the bottom of the screen and then click on them. The app will open a new page where you will look for the option, Data Controls, and then click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the Export Data option and click on it. The application will open a small window where it will be explained in detail what you get when you click on the Export Data option. If you agree with this explanation, all that remains is to click on that option. And that's it. Now you know how to download your data from the Chatgpt application. It is a great way to back up your conversations or keep evidence of useful information. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more technical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.